Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix hotspot issues on OPPO A60. So if you have issues with hotspot, other devices cannot connect your hotspot, then let me try to show you what you can do to fix it. So of course we're gonna go to settings, then go to connection and sharing and choose personal hotspot. Over here, of course, we need to enable it. And if your friend has issues with joining or connecting to your hotspot, then first we can try to set up an easy password, at least for now, to see if it's actually possible to connect to your hotspot. If you set up an easy password, then you can try to save it. So once you are done with the changes, also make sure that the hide hotspot option is disabled. Once you are done with the changes, then you can save it. I think we have to make it a little bit more complicated than that. We need at least 8 characters in the password. So once we are done, press save. Now, if that doesn't help, then you can also try to use the QR code. So we can generate the QR code. We will need to enter the lock screen password in order to generate the QR code. And then we can let the other device scan the QR code in order to try to join our hotspot to connect it. Now, also you might need to disable automatically turn off personal hotspot option, as we have only 10 minutes to let the other device connect to your hotspot. If nothing is connected to you, then hotspot will be disabled. If that doesn't help, if it's still not working, then we can go back and then scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. In the additional settings, what you need to do is scroll down one more time, go to backup and reset, then choose reset phone, and over here you might need to use these two options. Ideally, I think you want to use reset all settings, and then you might need to enter the lock screen password and then confirm that you want to reset everything. You will need to connect to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth one more time, as it removes every network settings, or resets actually, not remove. So we will need to configure some things one more time. You can also try to do this with the reset network and Bluetooth settings. However, I think there is no point of going with this first option. I think we want to go with the reset all settings immediately, as it removes and clears everything. So once you reset everything, you want to go back, make sure that everything is enabled. So you can go to mobile network, make sure that the SIM card is enabled, make sure that the mobile data is on, or if you use Wi-Fi, then of course turn on Wi-Fi and enter the password for your Wi-Fi. Then go back to connection and sharing, go to personal hotspot, and of course enable the personal hotspot and configure the settings one more time, and to try this time and try to connect to your hotspot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.